Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to show you a pest which is very insidious. You can see that I have planted tulips in this row and there should be 15 tulips in the other row, but you can see that this one is, for example, very purple, and when you check it you can pull it out. It's purple because it shows water deficiency, and something has eaten the bulb and the stem, the base of the stem. And there are few more examples. You can see here it was chown down. I'm going to zoom in for you. So you can see it was eaten, and I found the culprit because I was just planting my hippeastrum, and I will show you. I have found more than one, and I would like to talk a little bit about this pest. So here is the culprit. It's called Gryllotalpa or mole cricket, and you can see that there are small wings behind the thorax, and you can also see that the first two legs are modified diggers, and it has a really big mouth part. So this animal is eating other animals and plant material in the soil, so it's an omnivore. It eats everything, and this is late April. This is the time when they mate, so that's why it has these small wings, because they can fly, and they are actually native in Europe, and there's a different species in North America which causes the same amount of problems. And when you look closely you can see that the animal has very short hair, and this very short hair makes it water repellent because it lives in the soil, and oftentimes the soil is saturated with water. And you can see it uses its diggers to find its way out, and it wants to go inside the soil, and it can really quickly dig itself in the soil. So, oh, and if you like fishing, I'm a big fan of fishing and hunting channel. You can use this to fish for catfish and pike as a natural bait. I'm going to dispose of this animal because it causes a lot of problems, and it digs out and eats my lily bulbs and other bulbs like tulips, even daffodils and colchicum, which are really poisonous. So yeah. Oh, I forgot to tell you, so this animal has one generation every 2 years, and they usually mate in April and May, lay their eggs, and the small animals, the larvae are really small, and after the, I believe, the second or third molt in late August, they become like centimeter or so big, and they are, so I had this animal in my big 22-gallon tubs, and they killed almost all of my Dodecatheon. And because they are in the soil, you cannot see them. They're like the chafer grubs. You only see the destruction what they leave behind. And there are some holes in my allium plantations, and it's also because of this animal. And here you can see some slug damage on this allium, because yes, slugs can climb. So, but this animal is one of the worst because it's in the soil and you don't see it until it's late. So thank you very much for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.